In just 1 month, this channel has exploded with over 267K subscribers. Can you believe it? It's like riding a rocket straight to financial success. And here's the mind-blowing part. In the past 30 days alone, this small YouTube channel has raked in a staggering $2.8 thousand by uploading just one faceless YouTube video per week. But here's the real kicker. All of this success can be achieved using AI without you having to lift a finger. It's the power of automation at its finest. But wait, there's more. In today's video, we're going to reveal a secret strategy that will show you how to make a jaw-dropping $10,000 per month by harnessing the incredible power of AI. Yes, you heard it right. $10,000 per month. Brace yourself for an extraordinary opportunity that could change your life forever. But before we jump into the mind-blowing details, I need to ask you a small favor. Are you ready to show some love to the YouTube algorithm? Great! Let's unite and unleash an avalanche of likes on this video.
Just do it! Yes, you can!
I'm talking about a mind-boggling 5,000 likes within the next 48 hours. And guess what? If we achieve this incredible feat, I'll be hosting a mind-blowing cash giveaway as a token of our appreciation. So hit that thumbs up button like there's no tomorrow, and let's make some magic happen. All right, let's dive into the first step of this game-changing strategy, utilizing the phenomenal power of ChatGPT. This amazing AI software will be your ultimate companion in creating those mesmerizing faceless YouTube automation videos. To access ChatGPT, head over to openai.com and get ready to witness the AI magic unfold before your very eyes. Once you have ChatGPT open, get ready to experience the power of AI at your fingertips. Feel free to ask ChatGPT anything, and it will astound you with its creativity and ability to provide you with the most engaging answers. It's like having an AI co-creator by your side, shaping your content effortlessly. Now, on to step 2. Selecting a highly profitable niche that will make your pockets sing with joy. Ask ChatGPT to curate a list of the top 10 high CPM, cost per mil niches on YouTube, ideally ranging from $10 to $30 CPM. This invaluable information will set the stage for your journey into financial abundance. Prepare to be amazed by the possibilities. Finance and investing, health and fitness, technology gadgets, travel and adventure, beauty and fashion, luxury lifestyle, personal development and motivation. The list goes on. Choose the niche that resonates with you and ignites your passion. Now let's take a moment to explore a shining star in the AI money-making galaxy, a channel called 10x Income. This channel has cracked the code, making an astonishing $20 to $25 per thousand views. Imagine what that could do for your bank account. 10x Income specializes in creating faceless YouTube automation videos that explore the mind-boggling ways to make money through AI. It's like having a treasure map in your hands. So make sure to study their strategies, gain inspiration, and adapt their success to your own journey. Moving on to step 3, choosing a viral video to model. It's time to dive into the fascinating world of viral content and uncover the secrets of captivating your audience. Analyze 10x Income's latest videos and identify one with high views. Look for that spark of greatness, the video that grabs attention and keeps viewers hooked. For example, take a look at their video titled Easy AI Side Hustle to Make $19,023 month. Start today. With a whopping 44,000 views, this video focuses on the tantalizing topic of making money through AI. Study it, learn from it, and let it be your guiding star on your journey to YouTube stardom. Now that we have the foundation in place, let's generate a script using ChatGPT. It's time to bring your ideas to life and craft a captivating script that will leave your viewers wanting more. Here's a step-by-step process to create an extraordinary script. Step 1. Access the OpenAI platform. Head over to openai.com and log into your account. If you're new here, sign up and get ready to immerse yourself in the AI revolution. Step 2. Navigate to ChatGPT. Once you're logged in, navigate to the ChatGPT section of the OpenAI platform. Get ready to unleash the power of conversation with AI. Step 3. Define your video topic and structure. Before generating the script, have a clear idea of the topic and structure for your YouTube video. Decide on the main points you want to cover, the tone you want to set, and any specific instructions or requests you have for the script. Step 4. Start a conversation with ChatGPT. Initiate a conversation by typing a prompt or question related to the script you want to generate. For example, you could start with something like, "Can you help me generate a script for a YouTube video about your topic?" Step 5. Engage in a dialogue. Engage in a dynamic dialogue with ChatGPT to refine and generate the script. Ask questions, provide context, and guide the model to produce the desired content. You have the power to shape the conversation and extract the best insights from the AI. Step 6. Iterate and review. As ChatGPT generates responses, review the text and iterate on the conversation to refine the script further. You can ask for modifications, elaborations, or clarifications. Experiment, explore different angles, and refine until you have a script that truly resonates with your vision. Step 7. Finalize and polish the script. Once you're satisfied with the script generated by ChatGPT, review it one final time and make any necessary edits or adjustments to ensure it aligns with your vision for the video. Add your personal touch, inject your personality, and make it engaging and authentic. Now that you have the script, it's time to bring it to life with the magic of AI. We're going to find the perfect voiceover for your script. Have you heard of 11 Labs AI? They offer AI voices that sound identical to humans. It's like having a voice artist at your fingertips, ready to breathe life into your words. Based on the personal development luxury lifestyle niche, I recommend using Anthony's voice for your video. Copy the script generated by ChatGPT and paste it into 11labs.ai to generate the most captivating voiceover you've ever heard.
Introduction. Scene: a modern conference room with a large screen displaying the words artificial intelligence.
Once the voiceover is ready, you can download the audio file and prepare to dazzle your viewers. But we're not done yet. We're about to create the visual masterpiece that will captivate your audience. Say hello to InVideo, a remarkable software that can create stunning videos based on AI. InVideo offers a free option and has a fantastic text-to-video feature. Simply paste the script into InVideo and watch as it populates the video with a mesmerizing combination of non-copyrighted images and footage. Choose a video template that resonates with your style, customize it to your heart's content, and when you're satisfied, click that glorious download button to save the video to your computer. We're almost there. The final touch that will make your video irresistible is the thumbnail. Enter Canva.com, the AI-powered design platform that will transform your thumbnail game. Click on Text Image, select New Design, and choose the YouTube thumbnail option. Now let your imagination run wild as you type in the text you want to include in the thumbnail. Canva will work its AI magic and generate a stunning array of thumbnail options for you to choose from. Find the one that speaks to you, adjust the size, add the text, and voila! Your eye-catching thumbnail is ready to grab the attention of potential viewers. Download it to your computer and prepare to make a visual impact. Congratulations, my AI-savvy friend. You've reached the end of this exhilarating journey on how to make money through AI. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more easy ways to reach financial freedom.